J Cam says, why is it that we must merge with this one constant source, the Most High, if we were made in that image? Aren't we supposedly finding our own signature inner source? You don't exist. None of us exist. We're all expressions of a potentiality. So the individuality is just a step on the ladder of descent. Like, the only place to go from here is either back up or back down. And you know what's back down? Matter. Trees, rocks, people that are, we call NPCs, that if you mention something spiritual, they either have a blank stare or get upset. That's where individuality continues to go. You become so individualized that you become so limited, like a rock. You feel what I'm saying? I know we got this fantasy of like, oh, becoming a god, da, 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 but that's not what the human brain is here to do. You know, I mean, you can research and find your own answer for sure, but past that level of individuality is what they call buddhi, which is awareness. It's not like you merge with God and like you're absorbed and you're destroyed. You realize that that's what you actually were in the first place. And this individuality and stuff, that was the illusion. There is no individuality. Just like what Nuru said, these are costumes. These are shadows. This ain't real. This ain't real. I'm talking to myself. You're talking to yourself right now. So yeah, you know, I'm not to be a smartass, but like I said, you can do your research and see if you find something different. But just from what I'm seeing here, just the way that it works is consciousness inverts into itself and selects an individual expression from its potential library, right? Like I keep using the DVD example. You take the DVD off the shelf, that's an individual life. The soul takes a DVD off the shelf, that's an individual life, puts it in the DVD player, and is watching the movie of an individual life. Now starts the process of the descent into matter. There was never like, if you could see the Akashic records, it's like a endless field of black eggs, like on the movie Alien, which I love so much. It's just an endless field of potential lives. We're all potential lives. Like, there's only one soul. That's why I said that. Like, there's only one soul, one observer, and that's at the highest level. That's what God is, not a distant being that we have to get to know. We exist because of it. And again, I'm not trying to be offensive. I'm not trying to be like this holier than thou, da, 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 da. Research it yourself, see what you come up with. That's what I found. I would prefer that you research it and see what you come up with. Maybe you'll find something different than me, and maybe you'll bring it to me so that we can talk about it, whatever, chop it up. But that's what I'm saying.